Welcome to day 2. So, in day 1, we're able to set up your mindset and also your workspace. Today, we're going to be exploring what virtual assistants actually do and why this career path is growing so fast. By the end of this lesson, you should know and understand what kind of support virtual assistants offer, and also you start to get a sense of what virtual assistant services might match your strengths. Various places give various definition of who a virtual assistant is. The internet has its definition, but I personally would define a virtual assistant as someone who provides remote support to entrepreneurs, founders, businesses, organizations, right? Provide this remote support system using their smartphone or their PC to help them save time, help them stay organized, and also, most importantly, help them grow their business. So, not just a tax taker. No, virtual assistants are not just tax taker. They are actually problem solvers. Some clients might need help with their emails. Others might need help with their social media accounts. Some customer service. Some even designs, right? I'm gonna break this down for you here. So here are some common services that you can offer as a VA. Now, number 1 is the commonest of them all, which is administrative virtual assistant. Now, this set of virtual assistant, they provide administrative services such as email management, calendar scheduling, travel booking, data entry, name it. Anything that an administrative officer can basically do, right? That is what the set of virtual assistants provide. Number 2 of the services that virtual assistants can offer is social media. Now, this set of virtual assistants, they provide social media services such as helping business owners post content. They can actually still schedule those content, helping them comment on other profile, helping them engage with other clients, helping them with DMs, respond to their customers, helping them with customer service. And so number 3 on the list is customer support. Now, this set of VAs help business owners with customers inquiry, responding to customers inquiry. This can be through emails or through chats like WhatsApp chat or social media chats. So number 4 on the list of services that a virtual assistant can offer is content creation. So this include creating content for business owners like graphics design, video editing, writing of caption, creating of blogs, and the likes. Number 5 on the list of the services that a virtual assistant can offer is research. They include market research, lead generation, and competitor analysis. Number 5 on the list of services that a virtual assistant can offer is project management. Now, this includes helping clients manage their tasks, helping them with clients' deadlines. You can use tools, project management tools like Asana, Trello, even Notion to achieve this. Now you ask yourself, why would anyone want to hire me as a virtual assistant? Well, the answer is very simple. See, entrepreneurs, founders, business owners will forever be in need of someone that's going to help them grow their business, someone that's going to help them save time, someone that's going to help them make sure that every petty things that need to be done should be done at the right time, so they can actually have enough time to focus on building their business, right? One of the other reasons is because most of these business, especially startups, cannot really afford to hire full staff, right? So what they do is hire virtual assistants that can help them with these services rather than spending a whole lot of money hiring full staffs. So now you know that the virtual assistant industry will keep on expanding as long as there's increase in the rise of new business and new ideas. So let's put all that we have learned into action. So you're going to do this assignment. You're going to go to platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, right? So you're going to look for job descriptions, virtual assistant job descriptions, right? Three of them, just three virtual assistant job descriptions. You're going to list them. You're going to list out the services that are required from this. You're going to list out the services that are required. You're also going to list out the common tools that, like the common tools that this virtual assistant should possess, right? You're going to list them properly, and of course, most importantly, you're going to tag your document VA Research Day 2, VA Research Assignment, whichever deemed fit, VA Research Assignment or VA Research Day 2, and of course, save it inside your assignment folder. Now, this helps you to see what's possible. This helps you to see the common virtual assistant services that are in demand. Also, this helps you to see the tools, the virtual assistant tools that you should start getting yourself familiar with.